Rainbow of Sounds Music School kepada nak Shillong Maubri Bhoi District kepada perlong sisin citayo ha kesin sajan ha Little Flower Higher Secondary School Maubri kadon bunjai kirukom hikai ha kaliang ka tem kaput bat karwai kesiau keyboard, gitar, western vocal, Indian classical vocal, kasi instruments bat kasi vocal kikena akibahan news nem senang kila banwan pentebit ha keneg music school bat amdan jinge nagam ta larang baru banwan pentebit ha keneg music school. Hadin ka jingkut no jong kerta terikam pat ke jingnang Ngut banang pentelun nge kikam jong seng san partai United Democratic Party hapo ka jela ka seng ne ke sin sajan ke lapan long ya ke jing pentamai ya ke nong yilam bat ke nong kitkam jong seng ha ke ba ha ke ne ke jinge jit ya ke nong kitkam ki batamai la jit biang bat pentamai biang ya MLA jong mairang uba Metbah lang do kumu presiden batamai nang taru ya Dr. Jemina Motho kumu General Secretary batamai jong parti ka balong ha ke ne samoy terikam ke batamai ka parti kala jidru hadu prangut ki working president bat sangut ki vice president nalor jong ki khatwengut ki secretary bat ki ki nongkit kam ya kita ki nongkit kam ki bathamai jong UDP la jit ha kanek election jit nongkit kam jong ka central executive committee ka balalong hanne kisngi ki prangut ki working president ka parti ki de UMLA jong West Shillong uba Paul Lingdo UMDC jong Sora uba Titos Tarwel Khan UMLA jong ka mu kayau uba Nujor ki sungo UMLA jong Amlarem uba Lakmen Rumboy uba Don Bok Khamdej Urikman Sangma ULC Momin baru UMLA jong Mau Korwat uba Renington Lengdo Tongkar Kisanut ki Vice President ki kentup mi uba Alan Tree F Dekhar uba proses di Sokumi uba Shillong Pale uba Meral Bonsim bat Wei Narilum Garo uba 4 penpau kerteng ki Secretary ke parti ki de uba Laski Rembai uba Jam Borwar uba Balajit Rani uba Mitchell Wankar uba Winning Sungo uba Gigi Bung Snaitang Dr. Amanwar uba Tinwell Dekhar uba Monach Shabong bat Arngut Narilum Garo kiba 4 penmi kerteng ha kini kesngi lapan thamai ru ya kinong kirkam jong Yutwing ha ka ba UMLA jong Cleariat uba Kermen Shela ulabat biang kumu presiden baru UMLA jong Shela uba Balajit Tenrem kumu secretary kumjuru kaseng United Democratic Party naga Women's Wing ru labat biang da ikong Preti Khar Pengrup kumi presiden bat ikong Wanda Shisharanja kumi general secretary nalor jong kini la penthamai ru ya kinong kitkam jong ka Farmers Wing ha ka ba MLA jong Mausen Ram uba Olan Sing Suny ulabat kumu presiden baru MLA jong Soyong uba Sinchar Roy Lengdo Thaba kumu secretary
supposed to have the General Council last year. Since the term of 3 years has ended last year, from 2019 to 2022. But because of the general election which we just had in 2023, because of the preparation, so last year the party decided that we will postpone the General Council, and the same will be held after the general election of 2023. So we have scheduled the same today, and we have the council. I should say that we had a very, very successful and meaningful and fruitful general council this year, and where we have received reports from different districts of the state. And we have received reports also from two wings, like the youth wing, the women's wing, and also at the same time we have received brief reports from the detailed report, I should say, from the General Secretary of the activities, the function of the party at the state level. So most of the delegates who have attended today were very satisfied and were very happy with the outcome of the General Council. And the nomination committee, as per the constitution of the party, sat today only during a short break and discuss bring out the names and propose the same to the General Council for its consent and approval. And well, we had done that under the chairmanship of the person who has been elected by the nomination committee, Bhoi. So that's it for the day, and we had the new office bearers of the party, and as you are aware that we had already circulated the names, details of those office bearers of the party. In the party that whatever they have entrusted to us, we have made all sincere efforts to see that we take the party forward in a bigger way. So when you compare the 2018 and 2023 elections, I would like to mention here categorically that we had the team in the party where they are the think tank group, they are in the team, they are the senior leaders of the party, they are the elected members, some of them they are the elected and some of them are not the elected also, but they have already contributed to the party, and that's why the performance of the party, we are very happy, but though we are not satisfied, because we look up for better performance in the future from now on. So we have been able to take the party up to this level because of the really the teamwork that we have with us. Each and every member of the team has really contributed to the success of the party till this very moment.
Sir, can you just...
I think I need not to say on that. Maybe perhaps my friends or my colleagues, my friends who are here,
We will
I think he will be better than they will be right and appropriate for them to see on this.